Alright, in this video, I'm going to show everyone how we can create a page and then also create a library space for us to store files for the public user to download our files from. So for demonstration's sake, this web page that I'm going to create later will be called RENA Demo, and then the URL will be www.bcaa.edu/RENA-demo, and the password to download the files is password123. Okay, let's go over to Sitefinity CMS now to show how we can do this. First, before we even create a page, go to Content, Documents and Files. So once we click on this, Documents and Files, you'll come to this space. This is our library where we store all the files that we want the public to download, our PDF, our Excel, our Word document from. So the first step is go to Create a Library. And for library name, I usually want to be consistent with the name of my page, so I call it RENA Demo, and URL I will leave it as it is, RENA-demo, and then I go to create and upload documents. So this is where I start to put in the necessary files that I want the public users to download from. So select document from your computer, click on it, and I've uploaded my file on my desktop. So it's over here, the Excel file. Okay, where to store the document or other files? I'll keep it as RENA Demo because this is a space that I want my public users to download from. So leave it as it is, and then just click on the first one, Upload and Publish. So give it a while to load. Okay, one item has been successfully uploaded. So I go back to all items. So this is back at our library, Documents and Files, and the first item that was created will always be listed at the top. So it says RENA Demo with one document uploaded. Okay, so this is settled. So now it's time for us to create a page. We go to Pages. Okay, once we are back at Pages, we go to Create a Page. So to create a page, as mentioned earlier, for consistency's sake, I usually use the same text. So the name of this page is called RENA Demo, and we keep it at top level. And for the URL, I want it to be called RENA-demo. So I leave it unchanged. And then I want to uncheck Show in Navigation because this page is for course participants to access the files. It's not open to public for anyone to be able to find this page. So we want to uncheck Show in Navigation. And then scroll all the way to the bottom. You click on the second one, Create and Return to Pages. So this one that we are creating is the parent page. I'll explain parent page and child page later on. Okay, once you are back here, you scroll all the way down where the parent page is already created, but it's currently still at draft mode. It's not published yet. It's grey in color. So RENA Demo is here. So what we do next is go to Actions at the side. There's this down button. Click on it and go to Edit Permissions. Give it a while to load. So here is where you give access to people that you want to be able to access this page. So to do so, you need to click this Break Inheritance. Click on it. Okay, once you have Break Inheritance, you come to this page that shows you who can edit content of this page and its child pages. So click on this one, Edit Content of this page and its child pages. Click Change. Okay, after we click Change, we'll come to this square that says who can edit content of this page and its child pages. So we want to select the people. Go to Add Roles or Users. So usually people who will upload documents and files are the course administrators. So their name, they have been labeled as SGM PA. So there you go. So we click on this and you select them. So meaning to say the SGM PA members are able to upload documents here when their materials are ready, when their course materials are ready. So there you go, SGM PA, editors, designers and owners. Then you click Done. So once it's done, you go back to pages at the top. Okay, once we are done with that, we'll come back to this main page again. Again, scroll down to the bottom where you see Rena Demo. So this is actually a parent page. So right now, what we want to do is create a child page. And to do so, you go all the way to the right, under Actions, click on the down arrow, and you will see this Create a Child Page. Click on that. Okay, and once we click on Create a Child Page, you'll come to this page that is very familiar because this is where we also create a parent page earlier. So for consistency's sake, always name the pages exactly the same. So in this case, it's Rena Demo, right? So Rena Demo. And this time around, notice that it's listed under the parent page because this is the child page as mentioned earlier. It's no longer at the top. So this time around, it's under the parent page of Rena Demo. And the website URL, we leave it as it is. And then we want to uncheck Show in Navigation. Okay. Alright, and once you have unchecked Show in Navigation, scroll all the way down again, and as usual, click on the second one, Create and Return to Pages. So this time around, we have created a child page. Okay, when you scroll all the way back to the bottom, you will see that you have created the parent and child page. So just give it a while to load. And when we are back here, we'll scroll all the way down and you'll see that your child page has been created. How do you know? Look at this arrow here. You click on this triangular arrow and you'll see that the child page is listed below the parent page. There you go. Both are still draft because we haven't published anything yet. So the first step, we work on the child page first. So at the bottom, child page of Rena Demo, go to the right under Actions. Just go to the child page, click on this, Rena Demo. This is where you start to put in all the necessary details that you want the public to see. Give it a while to load. And once you click on the child page, you will come to this. So what you do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and here there will be a white space. So you go to the widgets on your right hand side. So all these widgets over here, you scroll down to the bottom, choose Download List. This is for the SGMPA members to upload their files for members to download. So over here, Download List. This is where all your files will appear, but you need to set limitations. So click on Edit. You don't want everyone to see everything, so just choose one file. So from selected library, choose Rena Demo. There you go. This was the one that was created in the library. Done selecting, and then always choose as they are ordered in library, and then save. There you go. So inside Rena Demo child page, you only see one file. And then remember to publish. Okay, now that we have settled the child page, we need to repeat the same steps for the parent page. Scroll all the way to the bottom again. See, now that the child page is under publish, now we need to work on the parent page. Click on this, the parent page, Rena Demo, and then you see the same screen again. Login seminar. So instead, let us delete this. So parent page is like the front end. Before anyone can log into this page, right, you need to key in password, remember? So we want to choose Custom Widgets, Login Seminar. Okay, this is where we key in the password. The password is PASSWORD1234. Select a page, choose the child page, Rena demo, and then save. So this is to tell the parent page to pick up the file from the child page, and then you click publish. So once you have published the child page, you'll see that parent page and child page is linked already. So all you have to do now is to go to the web page www.bcaa.edu.sg/rena-demo to check, and you can see that you need to log in with a password first before you can enter the child page to access the files. Okay, thank you.